She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, do your dance, girl. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl? Is it you and them, or is we making plans, girl? Double up the coops, how is it, hers the bands, girl? She a 10, better tell her strike a pose.
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Happy Valentine's Day to you guys out there. Today's recipe is definitely going to be one that you could do for Valentine's Day date night, or if you're just in the mood for a tasty treat. I'm going to go ahead and whip up a tasty butter pecan cake. So it's going to have all the wonderful flavors when you think of butter pecan, but this time it's going to be in cake form. So if you guys are ready for this recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, Always appreciate that, guys. And if you still are not subscribed, please go ahead, consider hitting that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so I'm just going to finish frosting this cake, and then I'm going to go ahead for decoration and just add a couple of leftover pecans that I had. This is definitely the special treat if you want to share with a special someone. Hope you guys did enjoy the recipe, especially if you do love butter pecan. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Share this video out, and if you aren't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.